Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you some exercises of diseases and first aid class 8th. Class 8th, you have the 7th chapter diseases and first aid. Now first get through your objectives. Here I have taken the objectives for Frank New Certificate Biology workbook that I have solved and I am giving you the exercises. Rat flea is a vector that causes plague. It's a true. Anemia is a genetic disease. False. Anemia is a deficiency disease. Tetanus is a metabolic disease. Statement is false. Deficiency of vitamin K causes scurvy. It is false statement. All pathogens are not disease causing. False. Rabies is a viral disease. It's a true. Infectious disease can be prevented by exercise. It is the false statement. Now match the following. Cataract, it's a degenerative disease. Marasmus, it is a deficiency of protein and carbohydrate. Rickets, deficiency of vitamin D. Cholera, it's a bacterial disease. Polio, it is a viral disease. Kwashiorkor, it is deficiency of protein, right? Tick the correct option. Deficiency of iron causes weak bones, marasmus, night blindness, anemia. Correct option is anemia. Pellagra is a viral disease, bacterial disease, degenerative disease, deficiency disease. It is a deficiency disease, right? Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Typhoid, tuberculosis, plague, arthritis. Arthritis is non-communicable disease. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes anemia, rickets, beriberi, scurvy. Correct answer is beriberi. Undersecretion of insulin causes goiter, diabetes, allergy, arthritis. It causes diabetes. Which of the following diseases spread through direct contact? Typhoid, polio, malaria, chickenpox. Chickenpox is the correct answer. Ringworm is a viral disease, degenerative disease, bacterial disease, fungal disease. Ringworm is a fungal disease. Thalassemia is a bacterial disease, highly infectious, genetic disorder, communicable disease. Correct option is thalassemia is a genetic disorder, right? Disease inherited from parents to or grandparents, they are called genetic diseases. Substances that cause allergy is called allergen. Malaria is caused by the Plasmodium. The disease causing germs are called pathogens. Cataract is a disease of the eyes. Increased level of metabolic waste in the blood is called uremia, right? Name two diseases caused by contaminated food and water. Cholera and jaundice, they are caused by contaminated food and water. Which disease is caused by human immunodeficiency virus, right? AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus. What is deficiency disease? Give one example. Deficiency diseases are caused due to the lack of nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, protein, minerals, and vitamins. For example, marasmus. It is not marasmus. M-S. Nothing. M-A-R-M-A. Marasmus. Name one protein deficiency disease. Kwashiorkor is protein deficiency disease. What is allergy? The condition due to hypersensitiveness of an individual to a particular substance is called allergy. What are toxoids? Extracts secreted by pathogens. Extracts secreted by pathogens which are made non-toxic. What is immunity? The natural power of the body to fight against disease is called immunity. Name two viral diseases. You can name influenza, measles, rabies, chickenpox, polio, dengue, jaundice. They are all viral diseases. right? What do you understand by vaccination? Method of making the body immune to a particular disease. Method of making the body immune to a particular disease is called vaccination. Suggest two methods to remain healthy: proper rest and sleep, adequate exercise and physical activity, help in proper functioning of the body. What is communicable disease? Diseases which can spread from an infected person to a healthy person is called communicable disease. What is immunization? The whole process by which the body becomes immune to a certain disease is called immunization. What do you understand by the term antibody? Proteinaceous molecule produced in the body to fight against germs is called antibody. Give an example of non-communicable disease: arthritis, cataract, diabetes, uremia. They are all non-communicable diseases. How will you help your person in a cause of burns? See, burns, there are three: first degree burn, second degree burn, third. In first degree burn, only the reddening occurs. Here you can apply the antiseptic cream or cold water or ice cube. Second degree burn, blisters are formed. Then the blisters, they should not be ruptured, and the affected area, if you keep in the cold water or the carefully you apply the ice cubes or keep in the cold, you will get protected. Put the ointment cream over there. Third degree burn, where it is the muscles are burned over there, then cover with the clean cloth and move to the hospital as early as possible. Name two diseases caused by worms: filariasis caused by filarial worm, Oncheria bancrofti; teniasis caused by Taenia solium belonging to phylum Nematelminthes. How can you avoid infection? Make a list of the precautions today. See, we can avoid infection by taking the personal care. Wash your hands before and after meals. Food and other eatables should be kept covered. Drink pure water. Avoid contamination of flies, and the flies should not sit over the eatables. And personal hygienic conditions are supposed to be available. Done. What is fever? Fever is a condition. Fever is a condition in which the body temperature is higher than the normal level of 98.6 degree, or sometimes it also considered as 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. It is an indication of an infection. Any infection occurs in the body, then we have the fever, means the temperature of the body rises. What are the various ways by which communicable disease spread? Basically, communicable, the highly contagious contaminated food and water. 90% of disease spread from the contaminated food and water. Sitting flies on the eatables, that also helps in transferring the disease. What do you mean by community hygiene? Community hygiene includes activity that improve the health of a community. Waste should be disposed of properly. Sewage should be treated in the treatment plants, and then they are supposed to be released in the large water bodies. What causes uremia? Filtration failure. Uremia means kidneys are not functioning properly. Malfunctioning of the kidneys results in uremia. Then what happens in kidney? The urea is filtered from the blood. When the filtration failure leads to the water retention and increases in the level of the metabolic waste in the blood. जब किडनी से यूरिया फिल्टर नहीं हो पाएगा तो मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट जो है वो ब्लड में एक्यूमुलेट होगा. Then this condition is called as uremia. When the nephrons of the kidneys does not work properly, they are not able to filter the metabolic waste, then this condition arises. How is allergy caused? What symptoms appear in case of an allergy? The condition is due to hypersensitiveness of an individual to a particular substance. Common symptoms are cold, sneezing, irritation of the eyes, skin eruptions, and itching. They are the symptoms of allergy. What do you mean by droplet infection? What are the diseases which can spread today? See, infection through the droplets that get thrown in the air when an infected person sneezes, coughs, or spits. The diseases which spread through this, they are influenza, measles, cold, chickenpox, pneumonia, tuberculosis, etc. What do you understand by metabolic disorder? Name any two metabolic disorders. Metabolic disorders are caused due to malfunctioning of various body parts. For example, diabetes, heart disorders, kidney malfunction. They are some of the metabolic disorders. Define the following. Good health. Health is a state of a person's physical, mental, and social well being. Malnutrition, not getting proper nutrition, deficiency of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, not in adequate amount, means not in the required, means the person is not getting the food properly. The person will suffer from this malnutrition that results in malnutrition. Vector, an organism that carries disease causing germs from one person to the other. First aid, the immediate help given to a victim of accident, burns, bites, or cuts is called first aid. Genetic disorder, disorders which are inherited from parents or grandparents, they are called genetic disorders. For example, hemophilia, thalassemia, color blindness, etc. Healthy eating habits, see, we should develop healthy eating habits. We should have a balanced diet, eat at the same time every day, drink plenty of water, eat fruits and vegetables every day, chew the food properly before swallowing, drink the liquids little by little and not in one gulp. धीरे धीरे पानी पीना है, एकदम से एक साथ नहीं पीना चाहिए. What is smoking? Smoking increases the blood pressure and the rate of heartbeat. Excessive smoking leads to cancer of lungs, throats, and mouth. Cigarette smoke contains carbon monoxide, which is the poisonous gas. It inhibits in the oxygen carrying capacity because the hemoglobin, it forms the permanent compound with the hemoglobin, so that hemoglobin carries oxygen from the lungs to the different parts of the body and carbon dioxide from different parts of the bodies back to the heart. So when carbon monoxide rust, then the hemoglobin is not able to carry the oxygen, and it also affects respiratory, circulatory, and the nervous systems. Nutrition. What is nutrition? The process by which organisms obtain and use food is known as nutrition. It involves ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Community hygiene. Community hygiene includes the activities that improves the health of a community. Sewage and chemical waste should not be released into the water bodies. Non-communicable diseases are not caused by germ. The diseases do not spread from person to person but remain restricted to the individual. Now complete the given table. See here, vitamins and minerals, source, function, deficiency. Vitamin A, source carrot, healthy vision, disease night blindness. Vitamin C, citrus fruits and tomatoes, develop immunity, scurvy. Calcium or vitamin D. Vitamins and the mineral is the calcium, and the vitamin is vitamin D. Milk and butter regulate calcium and phosphorus metabolism, rickets. Vitamin K, cabbage or snack, help to blood clotting, hemorrhage, internal bleeding in the cell, tissues occurs. Iron, green leafy vegetables, formation of hemoglobin, anemia. Iodine, seafood, table salt, general metabolism and growth of the body, diseases, goiter, right? Differentiate, as you know, communicable diseases, diseases that are transmitted from infected person to a healthy person, they are the communicable diseases, and diseases that do not spread from the person to person but remain restricted to the individual, they are non-communicable diseases. Communicable, as you know already, just now I told you, they are transmitted from an infected person to a healthy person. Deficiency diseases means those diseases which are caused by the deficiency of various nutrients such as carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Personal hygiene, taking care of one's own body, keeping your body clean, and personal hygiene. Community hygiene means activity that improve the health of a community, proper disposal of the sewage, treatment anywhere, the fumigation, the drain should be covered. Metabolic disorder and nutritional deficiency disease means nutritional deficiency means deficiency in the various nutrients in our body, that is the nutritional deficiency. And metabolic means malfunctioning of the various body parts, they causes the metabolic disorder. Give reasons. We should brush our teeth after meals. Yes, because when the small pieces of food get trapped between the teeth, they get broken down by the bacteria. As a result, Acids is produced which slowly damages the teeth. One should not eat roadside eatery because food housefly sits on the roadside eatery. They carry germs from the garbage and sewers wherever though, and they transfer them into the roadside eatery, which is contaminated, and it causes the results of the various diseases due to the various germs. One should cover the nose with a hanky while sneezing because when infected persons sneeze, small droplets are released into the air. And when these droplets contain germs, when healthy person breathe in the air, then they get infected. Means that the infection through air, whatever disease, that's why whenever we sneeze, we should cover our nose with the handkerchief and down so that the germs should go down, not spread above in the air. Water should not stagnate near our houses because to prevent breeding of mosquitoes and to kill their larvae which are present over there. Alcohol should not be consumed because it depresses the nervous system. The walls of arteries become brittle, fragile. It affects the lining of the stomach. It increases the chances of heart attack and it damages the liver and may cause the liver cirrhosis also. Now here the diagram based you see, name the disease, it is the rickets. What nutritional deficiency causes this disease? Deficiency of vitamin D causes the disease. What are the symptoms? Soft and deformed bones, curved legs. Identify the vector, name the disease spread. See, it is the female Anopheles mosquito, causes malaria. Classify disease as a bacterial, viral, or a protozoan. It is a protozoan. So, just two ways: use mosquito nets. Mosquitoes can be controlled by using the fogging technique, or we should use the other various mosquito killing rackets are also coming by which kill the mosquito. Means we should prevent our body, wear the clothes, body should be covered with the clothes, our hands, so that try to avoid so that the mosquitoes can bite us. That's our their question. Anywhere, any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Further, may I give you the more exercises on this chapter also. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Any doubt, ask me in the comment section.